There we go. There's the tent. A little stuff down here. Oh, there's the dead tree that survived. The tree that came down is back here. Not the one we thought it was. I still have to walk the whole yard yet. I had a piece of it, I couldn't stand it. We do not have power, but all of Merritt Ave, or Courtney, has power. Oh yeah, this one's good. This is good. That's going to be fun to clean up. There's a bunch of crap near the canal. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Wet. A bunch of crap. And we lost parts of the big oak tree, I think. I don't know, it looks kind of big. That one's okay. And we lost a good chunk of the avocado tree, which is over there in the bushes. The hunk of fence that came out, looks like Craig already put it up. It's back here in the corner. And there's the pool. I think half the tree fell in the pool. It's really nice. And then we'll have to go out front. I think we lost about half of our big tree.